got somebody, she's a beauty, very special, really and truly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sheila, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. As you can tell by the title down below what this video is going to be about, so if you're interested, please stay tuned. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Like, what are you doing if you're not subscribed? And join my gang. And y'all, let's just jump right on into this video. So hi guys, today I'll be doing the Jamaican / Rastafarian look. Using the colors red, black, yellow, and green. So I'll be using the box of crayons palette because it has all of the colors that I like, what that I want to use in it, and they are right across the top. We have the green here, the red, the yellow, and the black. So those are the colors I'm going to be using. First thing is first is I'm going to prime my eyelids using this primer by, I think it's by Ramel. I'm not sure who it's by because it rubs off. But I'm going to just apply this to, I'm going to apply it to the lids. First color I'm going to be using, which is the green, and then I'm going to transition into yellow, then red, and I'm going to be using black, but just a smidget of black, and I'll probably just use my black eyeliner just to do the eyeliner because I just really think that the black is kind of harsh. So first we're just going to go in with this green and apply this to like the tear ducts in the beginning of my eye, and I'm not trying to go too far up because I don't want it to be so loud. Going with this yellow and just apply this right after the green. So I'm gonna go in with this red right here. This red is very, very pigmented. And just look at it. Go ahead and do my foundation. I already went ahead and did my wing liner and my lashes off camera because it took a little bit longer to do, and I didn't want this video to be super long. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and add my foundation. Going in with my True Complexion Shine Control Primer by Black Radiance and just applying this. I'm just gonna apply this to my face because my face is kind of oily and it shines a lot. Got a shiny forehead. And just Next, I'm just going to go in with my MAC foundation in the color NC50. After I apply my primer, now I'm just going to add my foundation. I'm not going to go in with a lot of foundation, y'all. I don't really want a lot on my face today because my skin is getting clearer and I don't want to really put too much on it. So I'm just going to apply my foundation to my skin. You can add as much as you like to your own skin, but I'm not, because I don't, like I said, when my skin starts to get clear, I don't like putting a lot of foundations on my face because I break out very easily. And let me know down in the comment box below, like, if you break out really easy, if you have that kind of skin where it's very sensitive, very sensitive skin, and can't put too much stuff on it, because if you do, then you already know what you're in store for. If that's you, then just tell me down in the comment box below, like, what products that you use to keep your face clear. I know a couple things that have been working for me. One is water. Agua water has been working for me. Drinking lemon water, especially working out, staying away from sodas, and doing a face mask on my face nearly every week. At least one. If it's not the strongest, that's fine, but at least one every week, because that kind of just gives my skin that glowy effect. So I just used like a dab of makeup. It's completely going off my hand. I didn't want to put much on my skin, like I said, y'all, because putting a lot of foundation on your skin is just packing your pores with dirt, really. So that's why I didn't put too much on. Next, what I'm going to do is I like to go in with this rose water or coconut water, but I'm out of the coconut, so I'm going in with my, it's so light, the rose water. Magic Collection, I guess that's who it's by. It's a hydrating mist, and I'm just going to spritz my face several times. Overload. And the reason why I do that is because I go back in with my sponge and I just work in my makeup a little bit more. Hey guys, I'm back. I went ahead and applied just a little bit of black underneath my eyes. Now I'm just gonna add this highlight underneath my brow bone. I'm gonna be using this color here to apply my highlight. And this is just the completed look, honey. Also, if you wanted to go in, I have my contour palette. I do have this by Black Radiance, but I do not contour. But if you wanted to add a little highlight, you really could. Okay, but y'all, this concludes my tutorial on the Jamaican / Rastafarian look. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and tell me what you thought, and subscribe to my channel and join Sheila's gang. And I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Peace.